we're into another bathroom. So I'm stripping this out. The whole lot's coming out. Reese, my plumber, is coming in tomorrow to rough in, and then I'll be back on Monday. Today's Thursday. I'll be back on Monday and I'll be sheeting it, screeding it, waterproofing it, laying the floor, laying the walls, putting up a new ceiling, and we're home and hose. I'll give you a rundown as we go. So I'm just going to jackhammer up this whole floor and then carry on with the sheets. Now I'll tell you something, that screed is crap-olo, absolute rubbish. That's what tilers do. That's dry as and not mixed properly. Look, it's crap, not even stuck to the floor. and tilers like it dry. Oh. Now that is crapolo. People, I should have gloves on too. There's so many experts out there. Well, there's something what not to do. You always have a slurry like I've shown you, cement or like raw cement or glue sprinkled over your wet concrete. You always stick your mud to the floor. That's crap. No waterproofing, no nothing. This house was probably built, I don't know, roughly 20 years ago. I was tiling flat out then too, and you never waterproofed outside your shower. It was always just the shower, and that was it. Okay, stay tuned. We'll see ya. Bye.